Good morning, everyone. I am Randy Nobleza, and I'd like to present our paper by Dr. Gerald G. Gutierrez regarding our Hibla Local Filipina Summer Art Workshop. So let me just share the screen for everybody to see. So Hibla Local Filipina Summer Arts Workshop, book Nook Marinduuqe's contribution to the MSC's 70th Foundation. So the flow of the presentation are as follows. So introduction, review of related literature, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, and some acknowledgement. So for the introductory part, let me introduce the Hibla Local Filipina project. So this is based on the National Book Development Board's aim and objective to continue to anchor on the goal of promoting cultural education in all domains of reading and appreciation of Filipino language and authored books. So moreover, the specific objectives are as follows. To advance and intensify the utilization of various illustrated books in all Book Nook sites and centers, including Book Nook Marinduque. Second is to engage in the discussion of illustrated books selected by trainers by conducting storytelling session, lecture discussions, and the like. So we also included basic drawing and illustration and video editing and animation. So third objective is to share insights and experiences relevant to the topical coverage of the illustrated books. So we focus our attention to the 20 selected folk tales commissioned by the Commission sa Wikang Pilipino. And the fourth objective is to complete the attendance to the different techniques and learnings in the visual arts. So there are 2 sessions dedicated for storytelling, 2 sessions for drawing and illustration, and 2 more sessions regarding animation and video editing. And the last objective is to contribute to the heritage education and history to storytelling projects. So regarding the RRL, the profile of the participants are 20 from the Mugpog district, in particular Laon, Ino, Kapayang Elementary School. And likewise, from Mugpog National Comprehensive High School, we also invited participants from Marinduque Academy, Quezon Rojas High School, and some preschoolers from Minido and Little Stars. So to continue, the venue of the Hibla Local Filipina is the MSC Extramural Study Center at Barangay Kapayang, Mugpog, Marinduque. And the selected facilitators or artist teachers are Sir Jerry Lacdao, Sir Dennis Ibahan, Ma'am Lani Malinaw. So this is the training matrix of the Hibla Local Filipina at the Book Nook Marinduque. So session 1 and 2 from May 30 and 31 is facilitated by Ma'am Lani Malinaw. Session 3 and 4 by Sir Jerry Lacdao, and session 5 and 6 by Sir Dennis Ibahan. Meanwhile, the session 7 and 8 is about the exhibition and screening of the Marinduque folktales. So about the methodology, so lectures, hands-off workshop, storytelling, exhibition, and some basic knowledge on local research. So the results and the discussion. So MSC together with the NBDB organized a summer art workshop for children ages 8 to 15. So we were able to seek the permission of the parents of the 34 students to attend the 8 sessions at our Book Nook Marinduque site at Barangay Kapayang. So the first session of the Hibla Local Filipina Summer Art Workshop was storytelling by Ma'am Melanie Malinaw, and the following session is by Sir Jerry Lacdao about drawing and illustration, and the last 2 session is facilitated by Sir Dennis Ibahan about computer media. So by way of conclusion, so it is the 70th foundation of our college, the Nook Marinduuqe and Mural Study Center came up with this corollary support activity, which culminated in June 20 and 21. So the results were an exhibit and screening of the student participants. So the recommendation is that next time around, we may have some beginner and advanced course. And the session can run from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And there would be some participant also in Gaza's Children's Library. And the next leg of Hibla Local Filipina would be better improved by October. So there were at least top 5 works that were recognized. So I'd like to acknowledge the schools that send their children from Ino Elementary School, Mugpog National Comprehensive High School, Kapayang Elementary School. And the 11 participants from Kapayang, 8 from Comprehensive, 5 from Ino, 10 from Laon. And the respective teacher coaches, Sir Jerry Latorena, Ma'am Rochelle Ritardo, and Sir Francis Bonode. We also like to acknowledge the guidance of the Nook Sustainability Team and the Advisory Board, and so as the Nook interns from AB English Language Studies and BA Communication. So these are the output Marinduque History to Storybook and Storytelling packages and the Island and Archipelagic Heritage Studies Massive Open Online courses. So finally, we'd like to acknowledge the MSc Extramural Study Center and also the Research Development Extension and Training for approval of the internally funded research. So thank you, and that would be all.